Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2001 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is electronic devices. This is first 1 mark question came in GATE 2001. The current gain of a BJT is. The current gain of a BJT is A. GM R0, B. GM by R0, C. GM R pi, D. GM by R pi. Correct answer for this question is C. GM into R pi. We know this is the H parameter model of common emitter amplifier, and out of that H parameter model we have two versions. One is exact analysis, the other is approximate analysis. This is approximate H parameter model for common emitter amplifier. So where the common emitter is nothing but emitter is common terminal, base is input, collector is output. So base current is input and collector current is output. HIE is the input impedance looking into the base terminal, and HFE IB is nothing but current gain. So this is also, you can write it as beta IB. We also have not only H parameter model, we have some other models. So now we will see R parameter equivalent, because the question is in terms of R parameters. So we must convert the known H parameter model into R parameter model. So this is equivalent R parameter model for common emitter configuration, where input impedance is indicated with R pi. R pi is nothing but small signal resistance looking into base, and the base current is IB. IC is the collector current, and IC is going to be indicated as GM-VBE for R parameter model. So from this one we can write IC is equal to GM-VBE. VBE is nothing but voltage from base to emitter. Voltage from base to emitter is nothing but this one. This voltage is nothing but voltage drop across R pi. So we can write like this: IC is equal to GM times of VBE, and VBE is nothing but voltage drop across R pi. So we can replace VBE with IB into R pi. So GM into IB into R pi, which is nothing but VBE. Now separate IB term, so that GM into R pi into IB. Current gain is nothing but output current by input current. So IC by IB is equal to GM into R pi. So beta is equal to IC by IB, which is nothing but GM into R pi. So the correct answer for the given question is C. GM R pi. Thank you.